in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your display resolution on your Acer laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Windows icon or down in the system taskbar. Just open up the Start menu, type in Settings. Best result, you can go back to Settings. Go ahead and select that. Select System on the left panel, and then on the right side, select Display, and then scrolling down underneath the Scale and Layout section versus Display Resolution, adjust the resolution to fit your connected display. Click the drop down and select the appropriate one for your Acer device, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.